Welcome to Pacto de Sangre, a gathering of Davao's finest tattoo shops. This is not just a competition, but a celebration of the incredible talent found in our city. We are proud to showcase the exceptional skills and artistry of Davao's top tattoo shops, each dedicated to providing high-quality tattoos. So come and witness their amazing work. We're going to have 4 judges for this event. Our first judge is from Ink Digger Tattoo, and his name is Albert Butch Agasid. So let's go and meet him.
My name is Albert Butch Agasid, the owner of Ink Digger Tattoo Davao. I started tattooing since 2008, so parang siguro mga 16 years na. I started one shop sa Duterte Street, so along the way, nakapag-ipon. So nakatayo na naman ulit ng shop sa Damosa. After that, nakatayo ulit tayo ng shop sa ibang lugar. So I have 3 shops ngayon. Honestly, I was very happy na yung nabalitaan mo ako na may event. The name is Pacto Sangre. It's a tattoo shop gathering, especially here in Davao. So we're very excited also kasi minsan sa totoo lang, dito lang talaga nakikita-kita mga artists. It's very important, not just business, but also the relationship with other artists and other tattoo shop here in Davao. So advice ko lang first is, of course, you need a proper location. Of course, yung investment, kung sakto ba pera natin to put up a shop. Sa totoo lang, for me, pangit na kasi magtayo-tayo ng ano-ano lang shop, basta lang may shop. So siguraduhin din natin na maganda yung location, proper yung mga equipment natin. And ang pinaka-importante niya na role actually, please wag kayong magtayo ng tattoo shop if wala pa kayong skill. Skill first before putting up a shop, because the shop is representing the owner, representing the artist sa loob ng shop. So yun ang advice ko lang. So I'm inviting everyone to please join and also support this gathering, the Pacto de Sangre. It's gonna be held here in Ink Digger, Sampaguita Ink, and Ink That Right Tattoo Shop this coming July 14th, 2024. So please support, join the party. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir, thank you so much.